A mango kombucha, green, chard, kale, grapefruit, getting that vitamin C mixed with that iron. Woo! Look at that bright green beauty. Hey, honey? We call her the bright green beauty.
One of the things we love most about cooking is that there's always something new to learn. Whether it's fermentation, leafy greens, medicinal mushrooms, herbs, or understanding the endocannabinoid system, our kitchen is a place where curiosity is always welcome.
So what are we making, Pete?
Make me hot or cold.
Chocolate popsicles. So we have kombucha, kefir whey, we have medicinal mushrooms, we're blending in some ripe bananas. We have 3 batches of this beautiful mix. And then we're gonna put them in our zippies that are for our freezies. And then we also gotta drink some booze while we're at it because that's nice for a big batch. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. What do you got? Okay, squeeze it out. Oh yeah, get it. Whoa! Ah! Ah! I'm watching you and I forgot me. Ah! Oh boy. It's a fermenting world here today. Warm.
No! The peel!
Squeeze it out.
No, the peel is
Okay, I got that one. Okay, put the rest in. They're gonna be good. No, not there. Good thing Mommy's a good sous chef. I'll help you clean it up there. Boo. Call Chef Hazel in the making. All right. Yeah, get it in. All right, so we also have honey and cocoa powder. Like I said, we have our mushrooms. We have ashwagandha root, dandelion root, burdock root. Oh, making more of a mess. It's gonna make quite a few freezies, hey? I think we're gonna be good for a little bit through summer. Yeah. Alright. Oh, but let's not forget the vanilla. Yum. Stir. There you go. Alright, now let's do another taste test. Beautiful. Put her in there, Shuffy. Straight up. Right, you do your job. Hold it. Oh, that's so nice, bro. Ooh, tell me when. Whoa, stop. Okay, take it out. Thank you. Good teamwork. It tastes so good when you eat these. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Then
What if one recipe could become tomorrow's snack? In our kitchen, smoothies aren't just something we drink. They're breakfast, they're afternoon fuel, and they're the perfect base for homemade freezies the kids absolutely love. Today's video shares a few of our family favorites, from vibrant greens to berry blends and chocolate-inspired creations, all made with real ingredients and a little kitchen creativity. We also enjoy exploring traditional plant foods, including cannabis, where it's appropriate in our home, alongside fermented foods like kombucha.
All right, blueberry smoothie. No struggles in here. We have some scoby gel, scoby puree, a bottle of Gucci, blueberries and cannabis, and kale, little green puffs, and that's it.
We believe food literacy means understanding ingredients, asking questions, and learning how different foods fit into a balanced lifestyle. As Project CBD puts it, groundbreaking results have shown that we impact our gut microbiome not only through diet, exercise, and certain pharmaceuticals, but also through the consumption of cannabis, all via the common path of the endocannabinoid system, the ECS. That quote sparked our curiosity, and curiosity is where so much learning begins. Healthy Human Collective isn't about perfection. It's about exploring real food, creating together, and building confidence one recipe at a time.